I'm Crystal, our bakery director here at Sendik's, and I'm here with Gary from Mama Bev's Bakery, local to us in Hales Corners. We're super excited because we've recently brought Gary's products into our Sendik's locations, all stores. They're doing remarkably well, and we're super excited to have such a good local vendor partner. So Gary, if you'll just tell us a little bit about what is a butter cake.
Yeah, absolutely. So butter cake started in the St. Louis area in the 1930s. A German baker was making a recipe, screwed it up, totally screwed it up, baked it anyway, and it came out and it was a butter cake. So they call it Gooey butter cake in St. Louis. What we did here at Mama Bev's is we turned it into the St. Louis butter cake, realizing that most people out of the St. Louis market have no idea what a butter cake is. So we gave it that little St. Louis flair to it. And basically what it is, it's a cheesecake and white cake perfectly mixed together. Starts with our classic flavor, which is like a vanilla. And then we turned it into 15 different flavors, and we're offering 5 of those right now with you at Sendik's.
We are, and it's super exciting. We're also going to work ourselves into some seasonal flavors too. Right now we have our caramel apple, and upcoming is going to be lemon blueberry.
Lemon blueberry,
So we're really
that's
excited
what we're
about
working
that.
on. Yeah, absolutely. So yeah, Mama Bev's in general loves to be a part of the community. I mean, we work with companies like God Touch Milwaukee, and we bring in people who have some checkered pasts and looking to just do something with their lives and clean themselves up a little bit. And we bring them in, we give them a place to work, and then we get to use all local ingredients, so our cream cheese and our butter and the cake mix. Everything is locally sourced here in Wisconsin, and more importantly in the Milwaukee market. So it's a huge part of who Mama Bev's is, and we're just happy to be a part of it.